can see Catalina.
Uh-huh.
We got our robes. We're just chilling.
We're gonna go to the pool.
Go to the pool and
Go down the
water slide.
Oh, that was not as deep as I thought. Alright, cool. Nice! Whoa! You were like a cannon.
Yeah. Did it look silly?
Yeah.
Like, towards the last part there, it was like chaos. Just like complete chaos. Wow, you came in hot. Three, two, one, go. Oh man. Well, that's it for this day. Terranea absolutely blew our minds and just was so much fun. So breathtakingly beautiful, amazing food, really friendly people, this incredible view. I see a lot of 5-star resorts in our future now that we know what this is like. I think it's going to be super, super cool. Anything else to add?
I don't know, I'm just excited about what's ahead.
Oh yeah, that's right. And technically a little bit of your birthday celebration too. Yeah. Alright. Take care, Terranea. Thanks so much for everything.